Hi friends, just got these new shelves for my bathroom. They come with installation manual, of course. And let me show you how nice they are. We're going to install them, but here, this is the upper shelf. You get these accessories base to put them here with ventilation, like for maybe, I don't know, a comb or a toothbrush or whatever. You get two, okay? And these can help you to hang maybe the hard dryer cables. You could put the hard dryer here. If you get rid of these, you could put the hard dryer here and organize the cables here, okay? And you get the installation accessories, okay? All the screws and everything. And the second shelf that you can put under it or on the side. It's on your like and depending on your bathroom's organization. It has this like, small accessories so things don't fall down. And you will screw this one, okay? You get these ones are to install it in the wall, okay? Like that. And the shelf itself, like this. Let me show you. So the shelf will be like this. And you could put there like maybe, tissue, whatever you want to put in your bathroom. So these are nice, pretty shelves, easy to install and very, very practical for your bathroom. Thank you. You can see how beautiful this accessory is. All our toiletries are here and they look great. Really recommend these kind of accessories for different uses in your restroom. Thank you.